Good morning, friends. Today we are going to start with wiring. In the previous lecture, we have studied cognition, ergonomics, packaging, assembly and disassembly. University question maybe on this particular topic is like this: explain wiring or write a short note on wiring. As you know, while designing any product, wiring plays very important role. If wiring is correct, technically correct, then there will be a free data access. If wiring is technically not correct, then there will be a restrictions for free data movements. I will tell you how should be a proper wiring and how should be a neat and careful wiring. So this type of wiring you might have seen in a mobile network, mobile communication systems, or in a control panels. So this is an example of a neat and careful wiring from one place to another place with different color codes are used for this wiring, while a unneat routing of cables is like this. This is randomly it has gone from one place to another place, is a unneat routing of cables. Wiring plays very important role in a signal and power transmission. Failure of cabling, connectors and solder joint is the major problem in most electronic systems. So these three parts plays very important role. If there is disconnection due to soldering, then also that product will fail. For example, a speaker system, a public address system in a house which may have loose soldering joints will not work in a house properly, but a system in your car or a deck in your car will work properly at any vibration. Why it is so? Because it is due to a cabling, connectors and proper soldering joints. Though there are lots of vibrations on the road, your car deck or car system will work properly. Even cabling in the car will be proper and there will not be disconnection or power failure in the car. If such type of quality and such type of cabling is used in a house, there will not be any power failure or any major problem in the circuit or even in a house. So wiring plays very important and vital role while designing a product. Now I will tell you what is the role of wiring. Wiring has numerous applications and complex vibration variation based on current carrying capacity, mechanical strength, insulation properties and shielding. It has different design issues. Design issues include types of connectors. If connector types will change, then the design issue will also change. EMI emission, what is the emission of electromagnetic interference or noise? Based upon that, your design issue will change. Wire routing, how wire travels also plays important role. Hence, in many electronic applications, you will find a PCB based wiring. Then next design issue will be temperature, humidity and fungus. If wiring and cable is proper, then temperature, humidity and fungus issue will also reduce. For example, a electrical cable which is placed on a pole, electrical pole, it generates EMI, it generates heat, it generates temperature, and so it radiates it. You will find if you go from a high voltage cable, if you are passing very closely from this high voltage cable, you will find one type of noise there. That is nothing but a EMI EMC emission, and it is creating noise. So this is one type of design issues. Till today it has no any solution found. Servicing of cabling in a computer, you will find there are lots of cables and wirings inside it. It is placed for years and years untouched inside a computer. So servicing of that wire is very important. Vibration, abrasion and shock is also a design issues nowadays. Now let us understand this wiring through a cables and through a connectors. Wiring is through a cables and connectors. Here figure 1.8.2 shows a cable connectors and wires. First figure is wire rounded into bundle, and second figure is a connectors. So this second figure is connectors. We will learn applications of cabling and applications of wiring. First one is cabling. Building wires together is called as cables. Cable is a bunch of wires. Whatever you are connecting to the mobile and to the computers are cables. Secondly, structure cabling is building telecommunication cable that consists of a number of standardized smaller elements called subsystems. An electrical cable is built up of two or more wires bounded or intervened to form a single assembly. So number of wires are connected and bounded inside a cable. Cables are used for a wide variety of purpose. Mainly cables are used in electronic devices for power and signal circuits. The different types of cables are used for different purpose. They are mentioned below. Long distance communication, which takes place over undersea cables. Then bulk transmission. Then building wiring for lighting. Long distance communication is a undersea cables. Bulk transmission means a cable used for power high voltage. Building wiring and lighting also is one type of cable. Then universal standard for cablings we will understand. First universal standard is make the cable systematic, short and hard. Allow easy checkup and testing. Third universal standard is prohibit damage to assembled parts and give approval for moving parts. Next universal standard for cabling is avoid pressure on conductor, connectors and terminals. Next universal standard is use rounded edge on holes and penetrations to prevent scrap. Do not detour over sharp edges. Your cable should not be passed through a sharp edges, and only allow a reasonable bend of cables is a standard universal standard. How much bend should be allowed? 10 times outer diameter of the cable is a bending, maximum bending permitted. Figure shows neat routing and unneat routing of cables. Figure 1.8.1 shows two examples of strain relief cable. A carrier end prevents scrap but does little to reduce problems of the power cord. Now let us understand connectors. Power cables are one type and connectors are different type. If cables are not too long, then it is connected through a connectors. Connectors is an equipment used to connect electrical circuits and also referred to as connectors. Connectors are a electrical circuit to connect cables. Two cables are inserted in one connectors, or one connector is connected to computer, one connector is connected to a mobile, one connector is connected to a electrical cable. It is nothing but a connectors. There are hundreds of different types of electrical connectors. Connector can join two lanes of physical copper wires, right? Some of the properties of electrical connectors are as follows. Connectors are characterized by their pinout and physical construction, size and contact resistance. Reliability, etc. So contact resistance also plays important role in the connectors. Then second property is preventing the wrong insertion in the wrong orientation. Third property is some of the pins are designed in such a way that certain pins have contact before others when inserted and breaks the connection when disconnected. Usually, a connector can be easily identified visually. Ready to assemble, requires simple design and be inexpensive. Connectors carrying a heavy load, also called as fretting, is a common failure in electrical connectors. Deterioration occurs when atmosphere will change and galvanic situation. The source of corrosion due to atmospheric or high moisture and temperature. Accelerated corrosion, unlike metals, cause galvanic or electrochemical corrosion. Plating improves resistance to wear, corrosion and oxidation. So these are the properties of connectors. Electronic system temperature we will learn. If temperature of environment changes, then properties of electronic circuit also changes. For example, if you design a circuit for normal temperature or room temperature, it will not work in Himalayan region. It will not work in military applications. So temperature plays very important role Electronic system or device cause failure due to extreme temperatures. Mismatch coefficients of thermal expansion during temperature change put stress on mechanical joints and accelerate failure. Effect of temperature. Many physical processes are affected by temperature. Rate and extent to which chemical reactions occurs. The amount thermal expansion or radiation emits from the mechanical joints. Physical properties of materials such as electrical conductivity get affected. Then chemical reaction may occur due to high rise in temperature, and thermal expansion and radiation will emit, and it is considered as noise if temperature of wiring changes or temperature of environment also changes. The main aim is to avoid stress by controlling temperature with cooling and to minimize thermal transition, transient and gradients in the circuits. The another main aim is to reduce temperature by way of cooling or by way of thermal transients. Next part we will learn in the next lecture. Thank you.